In this video, we are going to learn how you can create ClickUp task when deal stage is updated in Hubspot CRM. So the idea here is that you have created some deals into your CRM software application, that is Hubspot. Now you want that whenever any of those deal stage is updated into your CRM software application, automatically using the details of the deal stage, a new task should get created into your task management software, that is ClickUp. For that, you need to integrate your CRM software application, that is Hubspot CRM, with ClickUp. So here your trigger application would be Hubspot CRM and your action application would be ClickUp. So how you can integrate both these software applications using PAbbly Connect? For that, you need to come to my screen. So welcome to my screen. Here let us type PAbbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is a website of PAbbly. Here we have to come to products and click on PAbbly Connect. This is the landing page of PAbbly Connect. As you're the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free button and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes and you're going to get free task every month. If you're already a user of PAbbly Connect, simply click on sign in. From the all apps section, come to PAbbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of PAbbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Hubspot to ClickUp integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So PAbbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this particular use case, we want that whenever a deal is updated in our Hubspot CRM account, automatically a new task should get created into your ClickUp account using the same details. So first we have to create an integration between Hubspot CRM account and PAbbly Connect. So simply open this trigger window and here choose the application name as Hubspot CRM. Select the trigger event as deal updated. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Hubspot CRM. Now here it is connecting PAbbly Connect to Hubspot. So here I'm just going to choose my account and click on choose account. Authorization successful and now the Hubspot CRM account is connected to PAbbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Hubspot CRM account. So make sure before creating a connection you're logged into your Hubspot CRM account. Now here we have to select the output properties. Choose the output properties. You can select, you can multi-select properties to be returned in response. So whatever the output properties you want in the response, we have to select it from here. So here we have to select deal name first. So let us find the same as deal name. Along with the deal name, we want deal type. And after that, we want even the amount of the deal. So let us find the amount also. So let us find the amount, yes. And along with the deal name, amount and deal type, we want deal stage to be updated. Okay, we want the details of deal stage also. Okay, so we want these 4 output properties, deal name, amount, deal stage and deal type. If you want some more properties in the response, you can select it over here. And now we are going to click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received and the recently created deal details are captured over here. We can find the amount as 25,000. We can find the created date and time. We can find the deal name as PAbbly Connect deal, deal stage as appointment scheduled, deal type as new business, okay, and some other details are also captured. So I'll just show you the same deal over here also in my Hubspot CRM account. So here you can see I have 3 deals created over here. First is PAbbly Connect deal, PAbbly subscription billing deal and software upgradation deal. So here you can see that PAbbly Connect deal details are captured over here because this was the recent deal. Now here I want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes it may take some time in capturing the response as the trigger here is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Okay, and here also it is mentioned that this particular trigger will check for the new data in every 10 minutes. Okay, now we want that whenever the deal is updated, the details should be captured in PAbbly Connect. And here we can see that the property is deal stages appointment scheduled. Okay, Here you can see that the deal stage is appointment schedule. So here I'm just going to change the deal stage. Okay. So I'll just open the deal and here I'll be just changing the deal stage from appointment schedule to qualified to buy this time. Okay. So deal stage is changed to qualified to buy. And now we are going to click on save and send test request once again. Okay, and this time we can see that the deal name is same over here as PAbbly Connect deal. And here we can find the deal stage is changed to qualified to buy. So now we wanted using these details, automatically a new task should get created into our ClickUp account. So let's scroll down, come to this action step and here choose the application name as ClickUp. Select the action event as create task, click on connect, click on add new connection. And now it is asking for the API token. So let us read the instructions. Log into your ClickUp account, click on the profile icon at the bottom left corner and go to the apps. You can find the API token. So I'll just take you to my ClickUp account. And here on the bottom left corner, we have to just click on the profile. And here we can find the app section. Click on apps. And here we can find the API token. So simply copy this API token, go back to PAbbly Connect and paste the API token over here. And now let's click on save. And now the ClickUp account is connected to PAbbly Connect just because I was already logged into my ClickUp account. So make sure before creating a connection, you're logged into your ClickUp account. Now here, the workspace name is automatically captured. If you have created multiple workspaces, from the drop-down, you have to select your specific workspace name. And then you need to select the specific space name also. So here you can see I have created some spaces, Connect PAbbly. So the same spaces are captured over here. So I'll just show you the spaces also. You can see the space name as Connect PAbbly modifications. Okay. So now I want to select the same Connect space name over here in PAbbly Connect. So from the drop down, I'll be selecting my Connect space name. Then you can see that the folder names are automatically captured as payment status, PAbbly leads and deal details. Okay. Here also you can see the same folder names. So now I want deal details folder to be selected over here. Okay. So I'll be selecting the same folder name as deal details. And in this particular folder, I have created a list named deals. You can see over here also deal details. And here you can find the list name as deals. So now I want to create all the tasks in this particular list name deals. So here also I'll be selecting the same list name as deals. Now here we have to give the task name. So I want to map the task name that we have got from our trigger response. Okay, so the task name should be the deal name. And after that, I'll be adding stage updated. So here we have to map the task name that we have got from a HubSpot CRM, that is the deal name, PAbbly Connect deal. And after that, I'll be adding stage updated. Okay, here you can give the task name as per your requirement. Okay, now here we have to add the description, enter task description. So here I want to add all the details as deal name, deal type, deal stage, as well as the amount. So here I'll be adding the data or mapping the data that we have got from our trigger response from here. So for mapping, scroll down, simply click it over here in front of deal name. Okay, I'm just going to give a space, come to HubSpot CRM, and here we are going to just select the deal name from the drop down. In the same way, let us map deal type, that is new business. Here we'll be mapping deal stage as qualified to buy, and here we'll be mapping the amount. Okay, so we have entered the description. Now here we have to select the assignee ID. Select assignee email or map the assignee ID. So here I want this task to be assigned to Gary Monroe. I'm selecting the specific assignee name over here. If you want to specify some tags, you can just give it over here. You can select the priority as urgent, high, normal task. So I'm just keeping it as a urgent priority task. Here you can specify the due date and the start date of this particular task if you want. Okay. And here we have to select the status as to-do task or a complete task. So here I'll be selecting it as a to-do task. And now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received, and in the response we have got an ID. It means a new task is created. Let's check our ClickUp account. We have to just refresh it. Okay, and here we can see a new task created named PAbbly Connect deal stage updated. Let's open the task. Here we can find the deal name, deal type, deal stage and the deal amount. And we can see that this task is assigned to Gary Monroe and it is a urgent priority task. Okay. And in this way, we have set up the automation. Let's move back to PAbbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. And now we are going to check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll just move to my HubSpot CRM account once again. And here I'll be just updating the stage of any other deal. So let's say PAbbly subscription billing deal this time. And here I'll be just updating the stage from appointment schedule to contract sent. Okay, deal stage changed to contract sent. Now we are going to check whether a new task is created in our ClickUp account or not. I'll just close this task details from here. Let's just refresh our ClickUp account. Okay, and here we can see that a new task is created named PAbbly subscription billing deal stage updated. And here the task is assigned to Gary Monroe, and it is also a urgent priority task. Okay, and here we can find the description, deal name as PAbbly subscription billing deal type as existing business, deal stage as contract sent, and here we can find the amount. Okay, and from cross verifying, I'm just taking you to my HubSpot CRM account also. Here we can find the deal amount as same, and here we can find the deal type as existing business. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to PAbbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between HubSpot CRM and PAbbly Connect so that whenever a deal is updated in your HubSpot CRM account, automatically all the deal details are captured in PAbbly Connect, and using those details of the deal, automatically a new task should get created into your ClickUp account. And in this way, we have learned that how we can create an integration between HubSpot CRM and ClickUp using PAbbly Connect.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using PAbbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our PAbbly forum. To check the pricing details of PAbbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of PAbbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.